Yeah, my name is Atapharoy Bygrave, striker for Dunbeholden FC.
Atapharoy Bygrave, you can't stop scoring this Premier League. What motivates you to come out here and score, every game?
The hard work I put out in training, and that the results I get in the game.
Okay, so you're a leading goal scorer. How do you drive yourself to maintain this, to continue to score in the Premier League?
My mindset to just continue push hard, and continue scoring.
So what's the game plan the coach give you guys today? Peter McGregor, young Peter McGregor come in and scoring double, and you also scoring one to seal the deal.
Yeah, the game plan was to make them stay in the final third and the defensive third. I would just lay back, and then in time to make the pass, just push forward and attack.
Okay, thanks for the interview, and I hope you continue to score goals and make Dunbeholden and Jamaica proud.
Yes, man, I can see.